Hey guys, welcome to the ZAK Bite N Taste YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make a grape milkshake. This homemade grape milkshake is fruity and revitalizing, and its pleasant taste makes your mind fresh and energetic. It's easy to make a fresh grape milkshake at home. Nourishingly, grapes contain minerals, antioxidants, vitamin C and K. A perfect fruit to revive your system, a healthy snack, boost the immune system and lower the risks of inflammation. So let's get started. First, take a large container filled with water and rinse the individual grapes to remove dirt and pesticides from the skin. Remove stems. Now transfer the washed grapes to a bowl. Now the ingredients we need to make grapes milkshake are a glass of seedless red grapes, 5 tablespoons of sugar or according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of red grapes gel, 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, 1.5 cups of full fat milk and some crushed ice. You can use ice cubes instead of crushed ice. First, take a blender and put the seedless grapes in the blender jar. At the same time, add 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of red grape gel, 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, 1.5 cups of full fat milk and some crushed ice. Cover the blender jar and give it a swoosh for 1 to 2 minutes. Now pour the prepared homemade grape milkshake into dinky glasses one by one. If you're willing to strain the grape milkshake because of its solid pulp, you can filter it with the help of a strainer. It's your choice. Now adorn it with some grapes or something like this so that your presentation looks extraordinary awesome. Wow, it's stunning. I think you guys must try this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, so leave a thumbs up, subscribe for future updates and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like and share with friends and family, and power the notification bell icon button for the upcoming notifications so you get notified of the latest videos promptly and it's free. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you in another rousing, gleamy video. Take care and bye for now.